Monday, my YouTube friends and family, or if you are new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, we have several different jobs that are hiring remote work from home right now. Some of them even pay up to like $1,250 a month. Pay for these jobs are going to be dependent on location and experience. Pay ranges anywhere from $15 an hour for the lowest, and then goes as high as $1,250 every single week for the highest. We have things like answering emails, like email customer support, processing transactions, verifying provider enrollment applications in the healthcare field. And for those of you who are looking to get into something that's easier to get into because you just want to work from home and you don't mind phone work, stay till the end. I did throw in a customer service phone job as well. So hopefully we have a mix of a little bit of something for everyone. I try my best to always leave links, timestamps, information down in the YouTube description box below this video. And of course, I do just ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button. That gives me that direct feedback. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them. Without wasting any more time, diving right on in. First up, we have the company Guidehouse. Now, Guidehouse has 1,900 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. These Glassdoor pages that I share with the ratings are always linked on my website with the application page for any of these jobs. So I always suggest do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. And please come read the reviews on the companies that people have given them. But Guidehouse is hiring a remote credentialing specialist. So this is going to be remote for the United States in the healthcare field. They are really looking for somebody to monitor and make sure that they are in compliance with company and client standards in regards to processing, monitoring, and maintaining the initial applications, as well as reappointment applications for the credentialing process for their providers and doctors. So you're going to have a strong understanding of like credentialing software and systems, but you're basically going to gather, verify, and evaluate healthcare provider credentials for initialing or re-credentialing applications. You're going to identify any potential issues with these applications, determine if further investigation or information is needed, and make appropriate inquiries to get that information as needed. You'll be responsible for making sure the enrollment of new providers or third-party government providers, the applications are completed, submitted, and all the enrollment is done in a timely manner. You're going to enter and maintain data in the credentialing database for established data entry rules, just maintaining all the files and related records to the provider credentialing records. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 3 years of relevant experience. They do say if you have medical terminology knowledge, great communication skills, great problem solving, and critical thinking skills, that's a nice to have. It's not required though. This position does pay anywhere from $43,400 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. The $65,000 a year mark is $1,250 a week. They also offer a standard benefit package. Moving right along though, next up we have the company Intoxalock hiring. Now, I've shared Intoxalock on this channel before. They are a company that makes those little blow boxes that are installed in cars when people get DUIs and then they have to like blow in a box to make sure that they don't have alcohol on their breath to actually start their vehicle. That is what Intoxalock does. They have 130 reviews with a 3.0 out of 5 star rating. They are looking for an accounting associate for their accounts receivable department, again remote for the United States. But they are looking for somebody to process daily accounting queries in regards to their customer accounts. You'll process the daily account payments, respond to inquiries from customer service reps or other departments in regards to customer accounts, processing any customer refunds as well. You'll process like device protection claims if they have insurance on their device that goes in their car and they're filing like an insurance claim. So you'll terminate and remove equipment from customer accounts as needed, just doing all the customer refund processing, payment processing, just all of those things for the customer that's paying for this box in their car so that they can legally drive. Otherwise, I think they just don't get to have their license. per state and federal laws, but they only require a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 2 years of accounting or general business experience. Great attention to detail, great critical thinking skills, great organizational skills. Now, pay for this one is either $18 to $20 an hour, dependent on experience, and they also offer a standard benefit package. Now, if you're looking to do customer support more in the non-phone realm of like answering emails, social media comments, messages, things like that, this one might be for you. The company is Heyday. They are a skincare company. They have 176 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer experience associate, again, fully remote for the United States only. Real quickly, this channel is geared towards the United States. My experience is in the United States job market, and so that's where most of these are going to be geared towards. But Heyday is a skincare company, again, and they are looking for somebody to coordinate and act as the voice of Heyday, responding to those inbound customer questions and feedback regarding their skincare and skincare products. You're going to document and report customer feedback trends, both positive and negative, and you're communicating with these customers primarily through email. You will have the opportunity to expand outside of email to text, chat, phone, and social media, Google reviews, and Yelp reviews with questions and concerns that are posted on those. So maybe a small amount of phone work might be done with this job, but most of this is going to be non-phone. This is going to require you to stay up to date on all products, software, and services that Heyday offers so that you can just oversee all the customer issues with their e-commerce. Maybe they have ordered and their package is lost. Maybe they ordered and they're dissatisfied with the product. Maybe the products they want to order are out of stock. You're just going to help them make sure that they get all of their issues taken care of. Now, they, again, prefer a college degree, not required though, as long as you have previous experience in customer support. They want somebody who can multitask, working in that fast-paced environment, work with customer relationship management systems like Zendesk or things like that. Great communication skills, great attention to detail, and they want somebody who is passionate and actually interested in skincare. Again, this is a remote position. Pay is $20 to $21 an hour. Next up, we have the company Conduent. I've shared Conduent on this channel before. They are a company that is always hiring remote workers. So this is a company you might want to bookmark and see what other positions they have open from time to time. But they have 9,600 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote transaction processing associate. Real quickly, I want to note about this position. When we get down into like the job description, it does not state that you have to be in any specific area in the United States. It just says that they're hiring remote. However, this right here says this job's available in 2 locations. And when you click, it says Lexington, Kentucky or Lakeland, Florida. I do believe that that is just where their locations are. And so that's what they listed. I think because this is remote, they are hiring nationwide. But of course, again, I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. They are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. in the Eastern Standard Time Zone. Pay for this one's going to be $15 an hour. But they are really looking for somebody to receive, process, and make sure their document classification is complete in their system and transmitted to the client. So you're going to have to classify each document that you're looking at in the system. Like maybe it's an invoice or maybe it is a bill, things like that. You're going to have to put like a category on those. You're going to receive these outbound correspondence from the client to be processed in both electronic and sometimes hard copy forms. You'll sort, image, document, file, archive them by file type or form type, just identifying the documents for their purpose, creating a database of information and making sure that they are correct in the system so they flow through the system where they need to go. So you're basically going to capture information and classify these documents, verifying the data from the automated data extraction tools was entered into the system correctly without any errors. So a lot of checking information and data entry with this one. Now they are looking for somebody who has previous data entry experience, who can perform a task-based, like following a procedure, like you are given a guide step by step and you can follow the steps basically. So this is going to be like an entry-level position. You've just got to be able to work with the team and have basic skills to work with processes, procedures, and computer systems. If that wasn't for you, though, that's okay. Next up, we have the company Renaissance Learning. Now, Renaissance Learning has 438 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a support specialist. Now, Renaissance Learning is a company that is trying to help educators analyze, customize, and plan personalized learning paths for their students, making sure that the student gets like that one-on-one personalized attention that they need. And so they are really looking for somebody to just join their customer service team, resolving any customer support interactions and tickets that come in. So you're going to ask the appropriate questions to help tackle the issue independently through help documents or old tickets before contacting others. So you're really trying to research and find information yourself, basically. So they're going to give you some help guides to kind of learn off of. So you're going to be answering questions mainly probably from teachers. You're just going to research and find the answer. So you're going to learn about Renaissance's products and systems so that you can better understand how things are working. So you can help those teachers and educators use the products to better help their students. So you've got to have a broad understanding of the modules in the products and just providing that primary product support to those educators. So this one might require some phone work as well as like tickets and online help. They are looking for somebody who has outstanding customer service skills, who can be reliable, positive, be a team player, and just understand and identify customer needs and efficiently implement solutions. So basically, you've got to be a problem solver. Pay for this one is anywhere from $42,200 a year all the way up to $57,950 a year. And last but not least, if you're trying to enter the work from home field and just get out of working outside of the house and you really just want to work from home, the easiest way to get into work from home and the easiest jobs to find are going to be those phone customer support jobs. I know nobody really likes those, but it is a way to get in while you're searching for other jobs or get experience to put on your resume. So we have a KeyMe Locksmiths. They run those little kiosks where you can clone your keys or make extra keys that you find sometimes like in Lowe's, home improvement, or grocery stores. They have 72 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer experience representative, again, remote within the United States. But they are just looking for somebody to answer those incoming phone calls regarding any billing issues, product problems, service questions, or general client concerns. You'll be responsible for maintaining a very professional attitude when dealing with the clients. You'll help work with management to stay up to date on product knowledge, informed of any changes in company policies. So you're basically just going to be problem solving for these frustrated clients in trying to keep them into repeat customers. So you'll keep records of the interactions you have with these clients, entering information into the computer system about things you talk to them about, transactions, comments, complaints, all of that kind of stuff. Now, they are only looking for somebody who has experience in providing excellent service to customers. You don't have to have any startup experience. You just have to have 1 year experience in some kind of call center or experience in customer service, a combination of education, training, something like that. High school diploma, no college degree. And they are looking for somebody who's available on weekends, holidays, nights, evenings, things like that. Now, pay for this one is $16 an hour, and they do offer a standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I'm still on the lookout for part-time evenings, weekends, jobs, things that you can work around other responsibilities and other full-time jobs. I know I've seen a lot of people commenting that. I never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family. And of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.